Benvingut paja faru, vostra paz par Igualada. Hi, Happy New Year. I'm Eric Rutem and I'm back with recommendations on what's going on out here in the wine and cava region, Penedès, this weekend. Christmas might be over for you who live in Protestant countries, but that is not the case here in the Catholic part of the world. We still have one big event to come, and that is on January the 6th, when we celebrate Epiphany. This is the day when the three wise men, or the biblical Magi, come to visit the baby Jesus. The three wise men, that is Melchior, Caspar and Balthasar, and as you might know, they bring three gifts with them, and that is gold, frankincense and myrrh. So this is the day when people or children in Catholic countries have traditionally received most of their Christmas gifts, so still today. The gifts have to be delivered, and that is not done by Santa Claus, but by these three wise men. So they need to arrive in the towns, and they do so throughout Catalonia, throughout the rest of Spain, in parades in the evening before, on the 5th of January this year. It's a Saturday. On that day, we'll see these parades in all towns around here. But the most spectacular one, and the oldest in the whole of Spain, happens to take place in Penedès, and that's the one up in Igualada, Anoia, which has been celebrated since 1895, when it started as a charity event with the aim to bring the spirit of Christmas to those who most need it. Now, this parade has developed into something really, really big. There are as many as 800 participants dressed up as Oriental pages, and they come with tall ladders so that they can actually and quite literally deliver Christmas gifts to the individual households of the town of Igualada. The celebrations have already started. A few days ago, the page Paja Farouk arrived in the town with his two books, a white book where there's a list of all the nice children who will receive Christmas gifts this year, and then there is a black book. Let's hope that your children are in the white book. Now, if you have come here and if you are not interested in the three wise men, we also have a lot of other things going on out here in Penedès. You can find our complete events calendars at discoverpenedès.com. But for example, we'll have a New Year's concert in Vilafranca del Penedès, in Alt Penedès. There will be an open water swimming competition on Saturday in Sitges, in Portaiguadols. And if you want to see the Catalan national dance, La Sardana, you can do so on Sunday, again up in Igualada. So welcome to Penedès. Els infants tots d'Igualada us volem sempre al costat.